Create a hanging indent in Word. Hi, this is Extend Office. Today we will explore 3 methods to create hanging indents in Microsoft Word. The quickest way to add a hanging indent is using keyboard shortcuts. Select the paragraphs where you want to apply the hanging indent. Press Ctrl and T. This shortcut automatically creates a hanging indent by moving all lines in a paragraph to the right, except for the first line. If you want to clear the hanging indent, you can press Ctrl and Shift and T. For those who want more control over the indent size and other paragraph settings, using the paragraph dialog box is the ideal method. Select one or multiple paragraphs where you want to add a hanging indent. On the Home tab, click on the Paragraph Dialog Launcher. In the pop-up dialog box, under Special, select the Hanging option. You can adjust the depth of the indent by changing the value in the By field. Once done, click OK. Hanging indents are immediately added to the selected paragraphs. To clear a hanging indent, click the Paragraph Dialog Launcher and select None. For visual formatting and those who prefer a hand-sign approach, using the word ruler is an effective method. First, make sure the ruler is visible in Word. If it's not, you can display it by clicking on View and then checking the ruler box. Then, select one or multiple paragraphs where you want to add a hanging indent. On the ruler, drag the lower triangle, which is the hanging indent marker, to the right to set the indent level. Note that you should not drag the left indent marker, which is the rectangle at the bottom. If you accidentally dragged this marker, you will find that the entire paragraph is indented. To create a proper hanging indent, make sure to adjust only the bottom triangle. If you need to clear a hanging indent, simply drag the lower triangle on the ruler to the starting position. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.